Hey everybody, it's Jordan here at the Edible Schoolyard, Kern County. I'm about to make a delicious snack with you guys. I hope you're excited, because I am. All right, so we are going to be making a bean dip today, and the star of the show is the pinto bean. So beans are great. They're great for you. They're full of fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Let's eat beans all the time, all right? So we have some beans. We have some cilantro. We have some lime juice, fresh squeezed by moi, some green onion, some garlic cloves, keep away the vampires, some coriander, really nice, kind of floral. We have some paprika. We're using red pepper flakes because that's what we have, but you could also do cayenne. Cayenne would be really nice. We have some pepper and some salt. Now, the fun thing about bean dip is you can kind of do whatever you want. Depending on what you have available in your pantry or your fridge, you can kind of switch it up. So, let's get started. Our bean dip is done. Now, you saw I used a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, no problem. Use a fork or a potato masher, whatever you got, right? We're gonna get creative. I'm gonna have my bean dip today with some carrots and some tortilla chips that I made out of tortillas. Let's try it. That's delicious. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious bean dip with me today. I hope you try to make a bean dip for yourself at home with whatever ingredients you have in your fridge or pantry. Until next time, see you around.